Good morning, Jesus Garcia here with MarineMax in Miami, and today we're going to walk you through the brand new 2018 Galeon 500 Flybridge. As you can see, the spacious cockpit, one of the main things that I love about it, it's a swiveling seat. It actually swivels aft, so when anchored, you can see behind you, as well as the hydraulic platform with the integrated stairs for easy access to and from the boats. Something that's real innovative about the Galeon, it's just the open space. This has an aft galley to port side, which actually brings in the salon with the cockpit. The one seamless opportunity you'll find on the starboard side, plenty of seating. Something that's very well known for the Galeon is the amount of light, the big windows that brings in a natural light. Over to the port side, you see a C-shaped seating for easily 8 people. Across, you have your love seat, and then from here, the TV comes automatically up. Moving forward, the helm, this is powered by twin Volvo Pentas, as you can see. It has bow and stern thrusters. Something that's very well known, it's a single pan window for panoramic view. To the atrium, this is configured with a 3 stateroom, 2 bathroom. Midship, you have your personal bathroom, and then full beam master. Here you have washer dryer combo, TV, plenty of space. To the forward part of the vessel, this is your VIP room with your head as well. Over to the starboard side, this would be your third room. For more questions, please call us at 786-402-0363. Or see us on the web at marinemax.com.